Hey there, welcome to my video. In today's video, I'm going to be opening up the bougiest box ever. That's what I call it every single time, Breo Box. You might notice my unusual Christmas makeup and Christmas attire. That's because I'm going to a Christmas party later, but this is going to be posted on probably Sunday the 22nd, so it's going to be my last video before Christmas, so I think it absolutely turned out perfect. Hopefully the box is like a huge Christmas present to myself. And actually it's different. It used to be a crate where you would like slide it, and now it's like an actual box. I can't show you yet because I'm pulling it out of this thing still. It says, "You deserve this" on the inside, and I do deserve it. Whoa, they got fancy this time. They got us a little product catalog, winter edition, and it tells you a little bit about each product inside. Like, I absolutely love that. I don't see a card with the prices, but maybe that's somewhere else. This is cute. This is like textured. Like the outside is textured. So if that doesn't tell you this box is bougie, I don't know what does. Textured catalog. The reason why I call it the bougiest box ever is because it is the most expensive box that I purchased. This one, because it's my third box, I got discounted for $144. It comes seasonally, and it's supposed to be full of things you never knew you needed, but that you need. And I have been really happy with the last two boxes that I received. There was like an odd item in the fall box that I didn't love, but overall I have been really happy with the contents in the box. I really think that this box sticks to the actual prices of the items versus some other boxes where I'm like, I don't know if I'd pay $200 for that, or I don't know if this bag is worth $80. In here, I actually believe the value they give you is exactly what I would pay for said item. We're just gonna go through the box. I'll find the prices afterwards, and if they're in the box somewhere and I've just missed them, we'll go over it at the end of the video. If not, it'll just be posted somewhere in the video so that you can see it. The first item in my box is this Peak Iceworked crushed ice tray. So it actually makes 8 ounces of crushed ice. We're gonna open it up. This is something that's pretty cool. I have an ice machine, so it's not something that I never knew I needed, but I've never seen an ice tray that makes crushed ice before. It's made out of silicone. It looks like flexible. I guess you maybe just like squish it and it crushes the ice. So it says key features are freezer safe, dishwasher safe, oven safe. Why would you put this in the oven? Microwave safe, BPA free. Why would you put it in the microwave? The silicone tray makes 8 ounces of crushed ice through its technical and slim design. Water is frozen in vertical strips, making it easier than ever to achieve crushed ice. A protective silicone lid helps minimize freezer burn. The next item I found is a candle. I absolutely love candles. This is amazing. It's from Detroit Wick, and it says "You deserve this," which is what it said at the top of my box. Ooh, that smells really nice. This says this is a Breo Box signature scent. Does not tell you what it is at all. It just says a relaxing scented hand-poured candle that reminds you that you deserve this. It smells good. It literally doesn't tell me what it's supposed to smell like. We're gonna try to guess. It kind of smells like fruit and wood, but like maybe tart fruit, like a cranberry or cherry. I actually found this underneath that, and it's Trip Wipes Travel in Peace. So it just looks like a little sample size travel guide. You're looking at over 1 trillion square inches of nasty germ and bacteria carriers and one solution to carry at all times. So that's kind of cool. Here's where you're gonna find all the germs, by the way. The next item is a wireless power bank. My phone does charge wirelessly. This is so cool. This is so useful, and I think this would make a good gift even if you have a million power banks and you don't want another one. But wireless, I love this. It has a USB, so I think that it would work even if your phone isn't wireless. It says key features: USB charging, wireless charging capability, long battery life, lightweight, and portable. Honestly, so useful. The next thing is a cocktail shaker. What could be better for the holidays than a cocktail shaker? This is honestly so cool. It's from OXO. The first time that I got my box, I used code OXO. If that doesn't work though, I will put my link in the description so that you can get a discount if you're interested in this box. Obviously, it's a brand they must work with a lot, and I kind of like it. I don't really make cocktails all that much, so this isn't necessarily useful for me, but I think it would be really cool like for a holiday cocktail party or something. It's definitely fancy. This is like a little, it like measures. What's that called? A jigger, I think, is what they're called. Actually, I don't remember, but for some reason I think it's called a jigger. Okay, this is cool. You could actually get one of two options. You could either get the press and pour cocktail shaker, which I did not get, or you could get the cocktail shaker with built-in jigger. Obviously, I knew what it was called, a jigger. The press and pour looks pretty cool though. What would this be? Tesla X? Oh, okay. I think it's a lighter. Okay, this looks really fancy. How do you light it? Do I just push the button? Do I need to do something first? What's going on? Oh, you charge it. Oh, that's so cool. Look, I don't know if you can see. Hold on. Do you see that? It's like to light candles. And it just like, I don't know, but it's, you charge it. Like it has battery and you charge it. You turn it on. That's so cool. So it doesn't need lighter fluid, I think. I don't know. Tesla X Arc Lighter. USB charging, cable included, flexible neck, flameless and windproof, LED indicator with long-lasting battery life, and on and off safety switch. Yeah, it says it uses 2 conducting electrodes. That is so cool. This is really cool. Like that, I don't know how many times I can say the word cool. This is so cool. And we have one more item. This is like pretty cool as well. It's from a company that we've had before, Echo, and it is a drone, video drone, X49 HD video drone. This is tiny. It says it's compatible with Android and Apple. Foldable arm, altitude hold, photo video, 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing, headless mode. What's headless mode? 360 flip, speed control, Wi-Fi, 6 access, gyroscope. This is dope. What other subscription box are you gonna get a drone? Like literally a drone was in my subscription box. It says ages 14 plus. Obviously it takes video. That's pretty cool. It seems to be like you put your phone into this little controller so that you can view what your drone's video is. Honestly, like, Breo Box, you were so bougie. You were so bougie, you're so weird, in all of the best ways. That is my Breo Box. That is everything that I got. I never found anything with the prices, so you've already seen the prices because I've been posting them up as I'm editing this video. Thanks so much for watching. Would you pay $144 for this box? I don't even know right now because I still don't know the prices. But when I know the prices, I'll write right here. Would I pay $144? Do I think it's a good deal? Will I get the box again for spring 2020? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!